guys, it's me, Sandy, and I'm back with another mukbang. Ooh. Until I can get a better camera, this is what I'm always gonna have to deal with when it comes to fixing up the setting here. Okay. Anyway, I have some breakfast for you guys. It is a tofu scramble, veggie scramble, with toast. Come check it out and see how it looks. So, right now on this plate we have tofu, supposed to mock scrambled eggs. It's basically tofu scramble with potatoes, baby potatoes, yellow, red, and orange peppers, some gourmet tomatoes, the gourmet small tomatoes, so they all like range from orange, yellow, and red, all types of different colors, and some whole wheat toast and vegan butter. Oh, and this also has mushrooms as well. Alrighty, so let me move back a bit. There we go. Okay, also, whenever I make tofu scramble, I always forget the spinach. I bought spinach today actually to put on the tofu scramble, and after I finished making everything, that's when I realized I'm missing spinach. I'm always missing an ingredient when I make this thing. Anyway. On the side here, I have some pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper grinder, and some sriracha. You know how I do. Anyway. Oh, also I added the red stuff at the top. It's salsa. Okay. I'm trying to get all the food. Okay. It's kind of becoming a little difficult. Okay. Maybe I just eat like this. Alright, I'm excited to dig in because I am super hungry. Oh, also, there is some diet cheese on here. So this is like a cheesy egg scramble. Super good. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more salt because I don't put too much salt when I'm cooking, only because I really want to like be aware of how much salt I'm using. So I always leave it for the table. Now, black pepper. I go crazy with it. And you guys know I'm going to actually put sriracha, so yeah, there's salsa, sriracha. This thing is loaded. Okay, and most likely I am not going to eat everything. I know I'm going to save some for later. It was a pretty huge plate. That's one of the things that I actually miss, to be honest, since I've been vegan, is eggs. Like, I miss eggs. I'm be honest about that. Scrambled eggs in the morning. Oh my god. Cheesy. So I tweaked a couple of recipes I've seen online, and also throughout the years, according to my taste, I've actually found a way to make it pretty similar. to egg scramble. Oh, for that. A little out of whack. Okay. This is so good. This is pretty healthy aside from the vegan butter. It's pretty healthy. I don't usually use butter and oil a lot in my food. But today I did use some oil of spray oil, olive oil to make this, just so it wouldn't stick on the pan. In the video, it seemed to be a little washed out today, it seems. I don't know if it's the lighting or I don't know. This is so cheesy and good. I actually like diaya cheese. It grew on me because the first time I had it, I didn't like it at all. Throughout the years, I started liking it a bit. It's the only that I've known shredded vegan cheese that stretches. I think there's another, Violife, but this one's a little bit more, diaya is a little bit more affordable. Violife is like mozzarella block, like about this small for $8. So I just said to hell with vegan cheeses altogether. But every now and then I use it. That was a pretty big bite. The tomatoes are really juicy. I'm gonna go ahead and kick it up a notch with a little bit more of this stuff. Why? Because I'm obsessed. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I'm not satisfied until my whole face is burning. So good. So how's everybody's hump day doing? How's it going? Mine's going pretty fine. I applied to a few jobs today. This thing keeps sticking out. I don't understand. I am hungry. I'm very hungry. I might just eat this entire thing. Might. Oh, good. I got some food that you just feel like dancing. I really do. I feel like dancing. I don't think you guys want us to be dancing. But this is some good-ish, if I could say so myself. Minus, I can enjoy this food without any guilt, because this is like good food, good egg scramble, minus the guilt. Because with eggs come cholesterol. Unless you're eating egg whites. Let me see if I can show you guys a close-up of how cheesy this is. Do you guys see that? Really good. And some toast, buttered toast, and vegan butter tastes exactly like regular butter. Wow, that was big. Excuse me. Vegan butter tastes exactly like regular butter. To the point, I literally replaced all regular butter in the house with vegan butter. My kids cannot tell the difference. The vegan butter I choose to use is Earth's Balance soy-free vegan butter. I try to watch my soy intake. I don't eat too much soy because of all the stuff that I've heard about it. But it's okay to have it once in a while. But since I'm controlling it, I don't eat soy-based products like, I mean often, like soy butter. I'm gonna finish this whole thing. Right now, this stir fry is basically literally swimming in sriracha. But it tastes so good. I also seasoned this with basil and basically just basil. I seasoned it with salt and pepper. But for the tofu, I crumbled the tofu, put it aside. Then in my NutriBullet, I added turmeric, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a whole bunch of nutritional yeast. And I blended it up in my NutriBullet, and then poured it over the crumble, the tofu crumble, and then excuse me, wow, I think I ate too much. I not ate too much, but just ate too fast. Yeah, I mixed it all in with the sauce, with that little sauce. Oh, added water to that blender too. I mixed it in with I mixed it until I made it a sauce, and then mixed it into the tofu, like just tossed it in there. And that was what gave it, the tofu, its like eggy taste and signature copycat egg yellow color. You guys need to try this. You will not be disappointed. Getting full, guys. Not quite there yet. This is so freaking good. Oh my god. Amazing. I got a knife and I'm not even using it, I swear. Guys, I'm done. I'm using this as a mop to clean off my plate. That's all the sauce there. My God. I almost forgot how good scrambles taste. I haven't had it in so long. Alright, so that's about it, guys. That's all I can give. I was starving. I made like this delicious meal. Ate it up with you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in to watch. So, do me a favor. Check out that like button. If you really liked it, give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. And also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you do subscribe, click on the bell. This will get you notified every time I upload. So you'll be one of the people to see my videos. One of the first people to see my videos. Anyway, I gotta go, guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, until next time, eat well.